Name the animal in 3 seconds.
My head hurts. My head hurts. I'm gonna slap you.
Wait a minute. Wait, I wasn't ready.
That hurt.
I just got confused.
Don't hit my head too hard. Don't. Monkey.
Okay.
Daddy, help me.
Here.
I'm gonna slap you so hard since you hit my head.
Alligator. Oh!
I'm so sorry.
Alligator.
I'm so sorry. I didn't hit you. I didn't hear you. Don't hit me too hard. My head hurts now.
Okay.
Elephant.
Oh, you good. Okay. My go. Oh, wait, don't hit me too hard. Be careful.
You hit me too hard too.
Kangaroo.
Oh, I got that right. Don't hit me too hard, please. It hurts so bad. Elephant again.
Oh, can she name the same one twice?
No, I think no.
Well, you getting that out there.
I said don't hit me too hard. I'm gonna slap you.
My go.
I'm gonna slap your wig off.
Wait. Zebra.
Come on. Here. Don't hit me too hard, please. Don't. Unicorn again.
I guess that can count, right?
Maybe.
All right, go.
Okay.
Elephant. Wait, did it count?
Mommy, why did it say eagle?
Dang, I should say eagle. All right, go.
Hey, Mom, don't hit me too hard, please don't.
I know.
Water.
Oh, shit.
Walter. A Walter starts with a W.
That's not. Oh, you mean a walrus?
Walrus.
Oh, you got it wrong though. What's a Walter?
I mean, walrus.
She said Walter. Oh, that's funny. Bamboo. A bamboo.
Come on.
All right, go ahead.
This is fun. Don't hit me too hard. No, don't. Please don't.
What's a
Tigra.
Huh?
Tigra.
What's a tiger? You mean a tiger?
Yeah, tiger.
I said bamboo is a baboon. All right, here you go. I forgot.
You hit me too hard that my head hurts now. Don't hit me too hard, please. Cat.
Good job. You good. All right.
You gonna get knocked out?
Jaguar. That's an animal.
I think I said king.
No, I just said jaguar. Go ahead, time run out.
Oh no. Elephant.
Let's do another one.
No, eagle.
Okay, let's do another one though, cause.
Yes, do another video.
Yes.
Snake.
All right, good. Last one.
Oh man.
No. Oh,